Oh my goodness, it's another one of those days where you have a headache from being on the computer for hours and hours and hours. Well, today, friends, we are going to be reviewing a new product. I received this product in the mail, and I'm actually pretty excited about it because I can't tell you how many days I've been getting headaches between the weather, the winter weather, and just from being on this computer and on the phone, on all my, on the internet all day long. This is, the brand is TERELAX, and this is an eye massager, as you can see. I believe I got the gray one. I haven't really gone into it yet. It comes in rose gold and silver. And it has air pressure. It has volume. So there's music and different sounds. It has, you have different modes of vibration. You can do it on the auto mode or, play with it to get it to your preference. All right, so let's see if this product can help me. I've gotten a couple migraines, and just from staring at this thing, even if I don't have a headache, I seem to have trouble falling asleep at night. So I think this might be able to relax me, take the pressure off, soothe me so it's easier to fall asleep. So let's see. Let's unbox it together. Let me get my computer out of the way. And as you see right away, there's a velvety carrying bag, which is great. That's good for when you're on the go. This looks like an operating manual, okay, which you should always read first. Okay, so we have the USB cord, which is great. That'll be there to charge the item. And now the eye massager. I'm so excited about this. It is in the silver. It's kind of like new age here, right? You can see here the holes. That would be where the sound would come out, the music or the nature sounds. We have a adjustable strap, so you can make it as wide or as narrow as you need. Let me see how this is gonna go. Let's adjust to the head. Let me see. I guess that's good. All right. All right. Now also on here, you'll see, do I have this right side up? Nope, there we go. We have the on-off switch / music. So hold it down. Oh, you can already hear it. Let me see, can you see this? Let's see. Yeah, it's moving. Can you see that? All right, we have that. If you press it again, oh, and here's the music or the sound. The volume, I believe, is this. So it could go from 0 to 5. Actually, I wonder if I could turn off the vibration. There we go. So you can hear the music. Now there's 3 different tunes on here. I heard some birds before. There's also this. So that would be, I believe, the air pressure. So let's try this out and see if it's all it's cracked up to be. This is going to be an honest review and what I feel that is this going to work on headaches? Is this going to work on releasing stress? Or is it just, not that great? Let's see how this stacks up against, taking Tylenol and Advil and all kinds of, pain pills to, trying something different. So I'm feeling it on the temples. It's pressing in. And then it's also going right across here, across like my eyebrows and underneath my eye. So that's good if you have like sinus pressure. I have the vibration going, although you could turn it off. I have the sounds going. It's like soft music. It does warm up, which is nice. That's a nice feature. I'm going to try it without the vibration. Let me see. Am I pressing the right one? Yep. Let's see what the difference is. I think I like it better with the vibration off, but it's just a personal preference, because I thought it was too much going on between the air pressure, the vibration, and the massage. Let's see if I can change the song. Oh, that just turned the music off. I wonder if you could change the music. It talks to you each time you press a button. Sleep mode. So, I like the compact design. Sorry if I look like I have my face rested. I like the compact design. I like the fact that it has the carrying case, that you can take this with you on the go in your bag, you know, if you're going away overnight, or just, you know, so it stays dust free. I like the soft music and the nature sounds. As I said before, I preferred it with the vibration off, but it's fine either way. It's just a preference. I like that it's easy to charge with your USB. Doesn't take long to charge it. And overall, I think it's a great product. If you have a headache, I think this would definitely help. If you're just eye strain from being on the computer or on, you know, watching TV too long, I think it would help with that as well. The warm was very cozy, the warm air, which was nice. I think it would help, you know, at the end of the day, getting you relaxed to go to sleep. So overall, I really like this product. So if you want to check it out, there's a link below in the description. Again, this is TERELAX, and it is their eye massager. So it comes in two colors, like I said, the silver and the rose gold. So that's your preference. Again, love this little pouch, because I travel a lot for sports for my daughter. So I'm always in a hotel or visiting my folks out west. So this is great. Fits right in there, and this can go in your carry-on bag, in your suitcase, and also just keep the dust off of it, you know, in between uses. So it's compact, very easy to use. I mean, I was able to do it and I couldn't even see what I was doing. I just felt, I mean, there's only 4 buttons, so it's a no-brainer. You just kind of memorize where they are. And when you hit the button, it tells you what you hit. You know, it'll say vibration on, vibration off, music this, and you know, so you know if you hit the wrong button, okay, that wasn't it, and go to the other one. So overall, a great product. Again, in the description below is the link. You can go check them out, and I will see you soon for more read alouds, more activities, and maybe another review. You never know. See you soon.